on. Ready?
Jess.
Alright. Hang on. Alright, keep spinning. Keep spinning. Alright. Oh.
I think he's dead. Crank it! Kick! Oh shit!
What do we do now?
Call a plumber. I'm serious, dude. Quick, get a band-aid. Let's go.
Help me!
Nope.
CPR?
You gotta call a plumber, dude. If Bunnings was open, we could go and get the shit that we needed. I'm gonna have to turn the mains off.
Where's the main?
Under the grass. So I think you'll find that it'll be on this side.
I can't get it.
You're gonna have to go get a shovel. Hey, what did you do today?
Oh, I broke the tap.
Better your fingers.